Here are my three top 2023 predictions for the residential home service industry. Customers will be cautious to spend as freely as they have been over the last few years. This is going to make preventative maintenance and demand service more important than ever. Focus on elevating the value of your club membership, including rapid response and reduced costs to clients. There will be just as much opportunity as there always has for new unit sales. Old and broken is still old and broken. Focus on finance options, including deferred payments and 0% offers. Customers will be wary of where they spend their limited dollars. Nobody wants to spend money on home services ever. Focus on demonstrating empathetic, competent convenience. The research is clear that this will elevate your value prior to booking an appointment or searching you on paid advertising. It's no longer enough to be different. You need to be distinctive, and your prospects need to know you before they search Google. This is how you win the game, before the game has even begun.